Okay, guys. I think this live stream voice is clear, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, all right. The mic voice is clear right now. So we just start our live stream and this live session, guys. First of all, I ready of all of things, and then we clearly start this live stream. And thank you everyone to joining early in our live stream. Okay, that's all of platform is going well. Okay, so my voice is clear, guys. Please assist me that. Okay, Super Mario joining our live stream. Thank you. So, okay, guys. Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the live session. I'm Rohit, and today we are going deep into the crypto markets. And today's live stream, we not are just looking at charts, we are doing and going to understand the market structure, smart money, and how the smart money behavior, liquidity, and trading psychology, and proper risk management. Okay, and if you're new here, this session is going to help you understand how professional traders think. Before we start, remember one, guys, trading is not gambling, trading is probability plus discipline and also risk control. Okay, so let's begin, guys. And then first, I give the red packets to our viewers to engage them, and that only for followers only. Okay, guys, I'm done right now. And first of all, guys, the market overview. First, let's talk about the whole crypto market condition right now. So first of all, I go to crypto market and gather some data about market right now. Okay, guys. So today's market is fair, guys. So you can obviously that's a good time to buy. Okay, and in previous days live stream we provide very good signals on our live stream. First of all, we check that results. Okay, first check the BTC. Okay, wow, guys, you can just see I that already provide that market goes up from here. And if you see market goes up, click on that area and boom, if anyone get trade, so that's my TP. I already said about that. So this is a good trade, guys, and this is our last trading zone. For market is downside, but that not, the market goes up from that side. I already same graphical point, guys. If you check my previous live stream, market exact doing that. That's great. And okay, guys, let's check the Ethereum trade. Okay, guys. That's also hit our TP, then break this area. That's our stop loss, and that's the target. We also get that target. Wow, amazing. So, guys, two profitable trade, and again a very good entry. If anybody miss, probably post. Okay, so let's check the right now. The entry in crypto market depends heavily on BTC. Okay, that Bitcoin, and whatever Bitcoin does, almost altcoin is follow. If BTC and is bullish, so market condition increases, and if BTC is weak, so altcoins is dump fast. But guys, in last view, so the BTC is growing, so the overall market is green right now. I first of all check the coin glass for better market data. Okay, guys, the overall market is green right now, and now check that dominance, guys, of BTC. Okay, guys, the volume increases, guys. And what's the okay, guys? That community statement is bullish from side of BTC. Okay, so now check the dominance of crypto market. Okay, guys, now we're in domination chart. Okay, BTC dominance is 58%, Ethereum is 10.4%, and Tether is approx 8%. The BNB 3%, XRP 3%, and 7% is whole coin crypto market. Okay, so that's Bitcoin dominance tell us their money is flowing into BTC or altcoin. That is too great for that time for the best recovery. If dominance increase, so that altcoins suffer. If dominance drop, altcoin season may start. Okay. So now we look the market sentiment, guys. Okay. And if you check the market sentiment is overall bullish, guys. The market sentiment is bullish by community is 80%. People are voting for bullish. That's all almost needed. And is that fair and value gap chart, guys? Fair and greed chart is market is fair, so that's a very good time for buy any main coins, because fair is also a good time for buying, and the best exit time is on market is greedy, because guys the professional traders do not chase candles. They wait for liquidity grabs. Okay, guys. Now let's go into the BTC chart for next trades. BTC USD. I remove all that. Okay, guys. First of all, we do a long time frame for market sentiment. So, guys, in 4 hour time frame, we just see a breakout and market taking a pullback, and this zone again go up. So this is valid transaction if you capture it. Okay, I draw it perfectly because market breaks that, so we can easily enter on that point, guys. Okay, if we place a Fibonacci, guys, so that is very good entry model for looking upside, because if we already entered on this breakout, so we can also hit our almost two ticks, and this is good, guys. Okay, so our bias is bullish, guys, because market is break this zone. Okay, and if you check that zone in particular zone, guys. Okay, so we can also find that a very good zone if market get again back. So there is a VG here. So sorry, guys, I just removed that. Okay, I removed that. uh, so obviously, guys, we take entered on that point, and this is quietly a big SL, but this is good for trade on this setup. Our low is around this, and obviously, guys, 1.5 RR is good for this trade. Okay, so that's our entry model. So, guys, if market break that and again market hits, so that's our entry module, guys. Okay, so we can entry on that point if market react in that zone. Okay, so that's the thing about we trade another NOR. Okay, I already provide that zone. So first of all, guys, I give some price note here to understand how you entered. Okay, guys. So that's is our main bias. So are we in an uptrend or downtrend? You are forming the higher highs, or we are just breaking the structure. Okay, guys, and now move to 4 hour time frame to understand that thing, because guys, I am purely seeing a retest. So as our opinion market goes up in this respect, and this is our shield zone, guys. Okay, on that position, on that point, guys, this is our risk free zone. If market hit, our trade is activate, and if market break on this point, so we can just break even our trade. Okay, so this is the main thing, and this is where swing traders plan entries. If your price on 200 moves the full, and the bias is bullish right now, and if below, they can plan every bearish bias. Okay, so we wait for the liquidity sweep, guys. Okay, so I now entered on 15-minute charts for what's the market reacts. So market make a very good thing and distribution, and market goes down, so that is good for our for getting this entry. Okay, after pullback do we get entry, and we also enter wait for a confirmation candle. Okay, we not entry in FOMO. Okay, guys, so we not entered on FOMO. We also provide the logic of this trade. Okay, so first of all, guys, okay, I break down that whole trade as I mark that zone, a resistance zone level above here. On that point, a mid level for our break even zone, and fair value gap zone. Okay, a large red candle zone below, guys. Okay, and a projected a bullish move after the retracement, and the market structure logic, guys. First important thing is, before the setup, price created a strong impulsive move up for the bullish side. Okay, and then make the lower high and equal lows. If you see that, market make that same. Okay, and that mean, guys, short term structure become bearish. Yeah, but on a slightly the higher time frame, overall structure still look bullish. If I convert to the 4 hour time frame, so you can see the impulsive move, and if I go for 1 hour, so you can also that a retracement and go boom. Yeah, so that's his strong bullish move being mitigated. Okay, so this trade is based on the short term pullback and inside a high time frame bullish bias. Okay, and that's correct, guys, that top down logic also, and the liquidity concept on this trade. I can see the equal highs above the previous resistance, and above that level by side liquidity. Smart money usually grabs liquidity, retraced, and then expands. Okay, so guys, give me some time, guys. And okay, guys. and I just explain that liquidity concept. Okay, and I check the sound. Okay, so if then market is retraced, then market goes up. Okay, and your right arrow projection suggests that small dip into FVG, then strong expansion, breaking high. Okay, welcome to our live stream Get a user. Please comment your name for a shout out. I'm very happy to you are in come in my live stream. If you watch, you can earn very complicated thing easily and simply also. So I just continued. Okay. So and the small dip into FVG guys, and you can also see guys our accuracy is too high. I'm and yesterday I already provide two trades in BTC and Ethereum also. That's two trade are going very well. Yeah. So in this zone guys, then strong expenses breaking the highs. Okay, and that logic assumes as the liquidity below get trapped first as a sellers trapped on that area, and they think the market is breakdown. But if smart money is here and this is a very strong bullish zone, and market goes up for the upward move, is that is valid SFC thinking guys. Okay. Okay guys, so now we discuss about the FVG entry logic. Okay, we marked a FVG zone around 72.5k and 600 level. Okay, that mean we expect price retraced into that imbalance and fill the inefficiency, then continue upward. Okay, so this is good if FVG is created a strong displacement. Okay, after that candles our market shows the bullish order flow and no major bearish structure shift. Okay, if market don't shift on that point, so that's a bad thing for this trade. If price already break that level, so that's the make a risk area. Okay, so that's is important point guys. Okay, here is which a notice. Okay, please notice that because price recently create a lower high and reject from the resistance zone. Okay, is on that point, and that mean there is still sell side pressure. Yes guys, and if price break below our FVG strongly, it will likely drop into the big red demand zone. So your trade depends highly on FVG holding. If FVG is failed, so our trade idea is invalid. Okay, first of all, and risk to reward area guys. So our in this trade our risk is almost 1k points and our targets also 1.5k points, and it is 1.5 is to RR trade, and that's acceptable. Is the logical trade guys? Yes, if the higher time frame bias is bullish, AVG come from the strong displacement, and you wait for the confirmation, not blind limit entry. Okay, because risk is controlled. Okay, for that trade. Okay, market already shifted on bearish and volume is decline, lower highs making forming, so we not entered. Okay, on buy side, then we find the another things. Okay, and how I would improve it. Okay, because instead of entering blindly at FVG, wait for the liquidity sweep below the FVG and bullish engulfing candle and break of minor structure that increase that probability. Okay guys, how it's BTC market trend? Yes, Sing Fang Chai is market is already bullish in higher time frame, but market it retraced now. If market break our levels, so then we discuss about that short positions. Okay, so our last summary of this trade logic. Okay, bullish continues after the retracement into imbalance. Okay, and the concept is correct. Execution must depends on our confirmation. Okay, guys, we still waiting for the correct entry. Okay, so that's the main trade logic, and we are now back to our session. Okay, so and now discuss that our risk management for this trade, guys. Okay, so I discuss that thing because risk management is too important. And now let's talk about that. If you have a 101k account size of your balance, so never risk more than 1 to 2% in a single trade. That means your maximum loss per trade is 10 to $20. Yes. Why, guys? Because survival is your first priority. Okay. Then other. If you lose the 50% of your capital, you need 100% gain to recover it. So that matters. Okay, and the professional traders protect that capital first and profit comes later, and that's a golden rule, guys. As a trader, risk small, lots winners run, and cut losses fast. So guys, is a very good thinking about trading, guys, that live trade examples. Okay, so what I follow that rule, guys, and I provide that secret that make me profitable. Okay, so identify the high time frame trend, guys. Okay, then you are entered. And the second is mark that liquidity zone, that I already do that. Yes, guys, you can see that I already marked the liquidity. So first of all that, and enter and confirmation. When you have the proper confirmation, then we are entered on a trade. Place stop loss below the structure all time, because guys, this is our liquidity sweep on that position, and my SL almost below that, so that also. And six, take profit at next liquidity zone. And if you see, guys, my TP is around the liquidity zones also. Okay, and risk to reward also follow, guys. Okay, because if you risk $20, so you can aim for $40. That's 1:2 reward ratio. Okay, so okay, guys, now check that Ethereum. Then we have get some entries about that Ethereum also. Okay, so guys, I remove first of all that. Okay, guys, market structure is convert from that zone. If you see that, I mark that first. Okay, and now analysis from that position. Okay, if I hold that. Okay, this zone is important, guys. So that's also our logic, guys. This is a very good trade if market react that, and our SL is too short for this trade because our stop loss is there, and we also target around 1 is to 3 easily, guys, on this trade easily, because guys this have a proper move on that position. Okay, so guys, our in this position, guys. Okay, so we that provide that entry module market if down and hit that area. So guys, that's our the trade logic. Okay, when if have get any bullish structure in 15 minutes, so then we entered on this trade another node. Okay, so that's a criteria of this trade. So now guys, discover this trade logic also. Okay guys, discuss about that. And this is Ethereum on 1 hour time frame. Okay, so we just mark that the hard time frame bias. Okay, so guys, if you see that the market is bullish pure in 4 hour time frame and market get retest, so that's our also that of perspective on that point. And price was concentrated on that area, then strong bullish displacement happened, and that large green impulse candle let us the buyer stepped in aggressively. The liquidity above the previous high lot be taken, and the market shifted. The structure is bullish. Yeah, so bias is almost bullish on that area. Okay guys, so this is a correct foundation of that trade. And the breakout structure, guys, is very important. After that impulse, the price created a higher high, then started forming the higher lows. This forms the bullish market structure on 1 hour time frame. You can obviously see that your trade idea is buy on that pullback point when the market is bullish structure. Okay, and that logic is solid, and that also have a demand zone. Okay, because guys, the red zone I marked on that point, the origin of the strong bullish displacement and the last bearish candle before the big expansion, and this the classic order block slash depend on your demand logic. Okay, that's also why is this important, guys, because the institution are often that push the price up aggressively. Okay, and wait for the retail to chase but pull back into their original the accumulation zone. Okay, to continue our expansion. And so the entry at the red zone, so that smart money retracement entry module, and the this is a very good concept also. Yeah, and the liquidity target, guys, this have also have a liquidity target. Our TP looks near high on the previous is 2.1k, and also that is a very good area. Above that high, the buy side liquidity, and market loves to take liquidity. Yeah, so that target makes sense, and you are not randomly targeting. We are targeting the liquidity. That's the professional things. Yeah, and the risk to reward, guys, is very crazy. Risk to reward. If I risk 1%, you can gain 3%. That's very good. Yeah, if you risk 20, so you get back and reward is 60. So that's of power of risk management. Where this trade can fail. Okay, if price breaks below the demand zone strongly and closes the bearish below the structure and from the lower low, then structure swift is bearish. Then our trade is fail, and in that case, that demand failed, so our setup is also invalid on that point, and no emotional holding on that point. We cut the trade. And how to improve this setup. Okay, so instead of building the limit order at demand, but wait for the liquidity sweep below the minor low and wait for any bullish structure like bullish engulfing hammer and 3 green crow, yeah, and break off the initial structure, and this confirmation increase that probability, yeah. And the professional rating, that concept is 8 of out of 10, and the structure understanding is obviously good, guys, and our target logic is also correct, the based of our liquidity, and market loves to take liquidity, so that logic is also good. And the smart money perspective, guys, if the institution are bullish, so they sweep the small low, tap the demand zone, and we get a very good buy side move in the market. If, guys, the institutional are disturbing the market, so they break that demand the hard, trap buyers and push that lower area, and so watch the react in the market is so carefully. Okay, we're here, so we can plan the entry properly. Okay, guys, so in previous day, guys, I also suggest a token about GT token. I also provide a entry on that, so just review that GT token. GTUSD. Okay, guys. See that, guys. I already told that market. Okay, first of all, I go for the 15 minutes for better understanding. Okay, so I already told that the market get up from that side and market is bullish. So this is also a good trade. Okay, you check my previous live stream. So now we are go for the altcoin. Okay, guys. Now let's analyze the major altcoin. Now I open the crypto bubble. Okay, OXB. Okay, guys, I think I have a good entry. OKB. OKB. Okay. Wow, guys. What a candle. Wow, guys. 72. I think they're burning that token, but how the market is too and the strong bullish, strong buy on that points. So we just miss, guys. So let's check another things. Okay, GT also, guys, I already provide that. So major altcoin like BNB. What's the news about BNB, guys? Check that BNB token. BNB is exchange based token, guys. So it usually holds strong during correction. Yeah. And okay, let's check the BNB. Okay, guys, BNB is also doing great, and that have a proper bullish structure on that segment. If you see that the move is too correct. So guys, anybody wait for their moves, they can entry on that and this point. After this is, I think, as a pullback strategy, you can entry. So our expectation is on that. Stop loss is below that. You can entry on that point, that SL, and you can put 1 is to 2 trade easily. Okay. So guys, next we check the Solana, because Solana also have very good momentum. What's about Solana? Solana, that's Ethereum. What about Solana? Yes, guys, that. I open that. Also a dip correction, guys, in Solana. For Solana, guys, wait for pullback, then we entries. Never chase the breakout candles. Okay, and as personal recommendation, guys, you can buy Solana on your spot wallet, not for trade right now. Okay, because guys, this is very risky for holding many coins. And the for Solana, guys, wait for pullback, and you can buy on that and these points, so you can get a very discounted point in end of the year, if that all of geopolitical tension is removed. So you can also see that trade are very durable and doing very great on next markets also. Okay, so okay, guys, now discuss about the risk management. Okay, because this is main thing in trading. Almost, guys, risk only 1% in every trade, please. And the main thing in trading, guys, is trading psychology. Now this is where the most important part of this live stream, and the most traders does not lose because of their strategy, they lose because of emotion. Okay, so that the four main emotion in trading, guys, is fear of losing money, and the greed to earn the level of the high of monies, and doing that revenge trading, guys, that fall to, and the overconfidence to taking trades too much. Yeah, if you enter a trade and then you win in by 3 to 4 times, then you think that you are the market leaders, but that not. when you the then if you trade another trade on a high leverage with a big lot size, when you are blown and liquidate on the market. Okay, so when your loss is one trade, you try to recover quickly. You increase the lot size. You break your rules. On that point, your account is also get liquidated. So trade disciplinely, not emotionally. Okay, and the professional traders accept the losses. Losses is our expenses. Okay, and guys, you must think like a casino. Okay, because casino does not panic if someone wins one game, because over thousand of games that probability wins. Okay, same in trading, guys. If your system has work 60% win rate, so you still lost 4 trade out of 10. Yeah, so that is the normal. But guys, if your risk management is strong, if you lost 4 trade and you win 10 trade, so you are still profitable. Okay, because guys, I see you in that. Okay, so guys, if you lost 4 trade, okay, and win 6 trade, so if your risk management is strong, okay, so in that 4 trade you can just lose on only 4% of drawdown you can make. Okay, but if your risk management is good and correct, so in that case, if your risk management not, I get provide that 1 is to 4, 1 is to 3, yes, that almost 1 is to 2. If it's very easily to get in the markets, so you can earn 12% of return in 6 winning trades. So if you go in the 12% of plus and you can lost the 4% your 4 previous losses, so you are also in profit of 8%. That good. Yes, so this is too good. Yeah, so that's the power of risk management. If you repeat that in every month, so you also 2x your capital easily by follow the rules and correct way, and few time you will get also good RR. Yes, that all of time you could not get 2, you can take 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, so that's a lump sum amount. And now we just discuss the market prediction and the discussion. Yes, and now we're happen to next, guys. Okay, that scenario 1, the bitcoin sweep the liquidity below the support, so that's a strong bounce move. Okay, so that is a very good case. Okay, guys, now let's check that another things. Okay, everyone. Now let's the focus deeply on what the happened in next setup. Okay, right now we are not guessing. We are building that scenarios. All okay. So professional traders do not predict, guys. They the prepare, and now let's go for the preparation. Okay, guys. First step, guys. What is the price doing right now? At that moment, price is pullbacking after the strong bullish impulsive. Okay, so in that point, we also, whatever you see a strong expanses candle like that, and it means, guys, where was the aggressive buying? Okay. And but after the expenses, the market must rebalance. So this is a very main thing in the market. And next is, guys, become the market move in its cycles. Okay. And the expansion, retraced, and the expansions. Okay. So that's the whole improvement of that market do. Okay. And right now we're in that retracement phase on BTC. If you see the BTC chart right now, so you can just see what the market doing that crazily. Okay, I open the BTC chart. Please give me some time. Okay, sorry guys for the distractions. Okay. And humanity, yes. Sir, you are see Hindi. See my chat, sir. Oh, sorry for that. I am not here for. I apologize. Okay. So, in that point, guys, I think this is distracted you. Okay. This is that correct, guys. Okay, guys. So, in that position, guys, I open the BTC chart and market still in expansion and some move, guys, because market is, what's the BTC chart, guys? Sorry, I just opened the BTC chart. Okay. So okay, guys, market is seeing that impulsive move on that position. If, guys, market provide some good movement or upside closing, because, guys, it's hammer candle form and 15 minutes chart. So that's a very bullish candle, guys, because if you see the lays, the market is draw about the 300 point, but market recover. Yes. So this is a very good thing for the upside, and we can just see, guys, okay, this trade for that closing, and next candle if a bullish candle, so we can enter on this trade. Okay. So this is very good right now. That's, and thank you everyone to joining this trade and joining this live stream. So what's the next, guys? Please comment the next token for analysis. Okay, that the BTC doing very good move. The next candle is start from here, and we are waiting for that upside, and we get the confirmation. Then we entered on this trade, guys. Okay, because this is important for us. Because guys, in trading, if you have don't have the patience, so you can don't gather your psychology and your emotions too. And if you have not good in patience, so you not be a good trader, because patience is too much in trading. Okay, if you entered blindly in trades, so you can don't gather that knowledge properly. Okay, so we are waiting for this, guys. Okay, for that move. Please give me some time, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back again, and we'll see, guys. The market seeing a very good momentum, and I think this trade is going well, because that market is now bullish continuous for that. Okay, and in this trade, guys, we can easily hit that TP maybe, because that market is too strong. But this is a doji candle, guys. If that candle from that doji, so we'll wait for the next candle, because confirmation is the main thing in trading, guys. We wait patiently. If we have the proper confirmation, then we only entered on that trade. Okay, another note. Okay, guys, we just see very good momentum here. Okay, and what the confirmation should we wait for? Okay, guys, because guys, if the price reacts that demand zone, and don't enter immediately. Okay, wait for the signals, the long we are weak. Okay, because guys, weak and shadow is too important for leading the market. Okay, and the bullish engulfing, if you see that the candle is engulfed, yes, then the strong rejection candle, guys, if you see the it is a very strong rejection candle. If you I remove that, so you can see very good, guys, a very great rejection candle, guys, for upside. Yes, so let's the market prove that strength. Okay, So we're obviously entered on that trade, guys. Okay, this is confirmed that market goes up. You can obviously enter on that trade, and SL is our that zone, guys. Now I reveal that the price zone again for entries. So guys, this zone is our SL. Okay, guys, and this is our entry point. Okay, this is our entry zone, and this is our risk free on our first TP. Okay, partial booking from that zone, and this is our final target. Okay, so that's our trade logic. Okay, and this trade is running very good amount of profit because, guys, remember, confirmation reduce the risk. Okay, so okay, guys, let is only 1 minute for closing that our red packet. So you can claim that red packet. Okay, this is our for followers only. Okay, guys, market is bullish. Very strong bullish candle is formed, guys. This latest candle is already broke that level easily. Okay, so please claim the red packet, guys. Okay, surprised. Wow, yes, guys, we are also is a Ethereum in a good buy deep the buy opportunity. Okay, I checked. I also give entry on Ethereum, I remember. Yes, boys, I already said, but more market if hit that area. Okay, I'm now give that price zone. Okay, so this is our entry zone. Okay, it's 2.1k is our entry zone. Okay, and our target is 164. Okay, and our SL is very low, is 177. Hi. Wow. You are very crazy, guys. Thanks for your reaction. That's helped me too. Okay. So, guys, uh, BTC is unicorn right now. If I check, BTC is already pumped. Okay. Yes, guys, we trade here, so market moves on that point easily. Okay, guys, so now time to our end zone. Okay, we're here to end this live stream, and this is that's our last before ending this live stream. Remember, guys, trading is about being right. That's about managing risk. Even the best trader lose trades, but they never lose their discipline. If you learned something today, make sure you practice on demo first. Consistency is make profits. Discipline is our predilection, and risk management is our strategy. Okay, this is Rohit signing off. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and we'll see you in the next live session. Okay, guys, bye bye.